Hello, all. Welcome to the day 26 of the daily case study series for CBSE Grade 12. The question goes like this: excessive use of screens can result in vision problems, obesity, sleep disorders, anxiety, low retention problems, and can impede social and emotional comprehension and expression. It is essential to be mindful of the amount of time we spend on screens and to reduce our screen time by taking regular breaks, setting time limits, and engaging in non screen based activities. In a class of students of age group 14 to 17, students are categorized into three groups according to a feedback form filled by them. The first group consisted of the students who spend more than 4 hours per day on the screen, while the second group spent 2 to 4 hours per day on the same activities. The third group spent less than 2 hours per day on the same. The first group with high screen time is 60% of the students, whereas the second group with moderate screen time is 30%, and the third group with low screen time is only 10% of the total number of students. It was observed that 80% of the first group faced severe anxiety and low retention issues, 70% of the second group, and 30% of the third group having the same symptoms. So let's make a note of what the question has given to us. Let the number of students be taken as 100. Group A, high screen time, that is greater than 4 hours. So in this category, we have 60% of all the students, that is total students is 100. So we have 60. Then group B, moderate screen time, that is 2 to 4 hours. In this category, we have 30% of the students. Out of 100, it is 30. Group C, low screen time, which is less than 4 hours. In this category, we have only 10% of the total students, that is 10 students. So this is based on the hours of usage. Then next problem which is coming up because of the screen time is low retention and anxiety issues. 80% of first group are facing this. That is 80% of 60 students, which is 80 upon 100 times 60, which gives us 48 students. So group A has 60 students. Out of that, 48 students have this anxiety and low retention issues. Then 70% of the second group, 70% of 30, which is 21 students. This means in group B category, we have 30 students. Out of the 30 students, 21 students are having low retention and anxiety issues. 30% of third group, that is 30% of 10 students, which is 30 upon 100 times 10, that is 3 students. So this means In group C category, we have 10 students, and out of the 10 students, 3 students suffer low retention and anxiety. First question, what is the total percentage of students who suffer? So total students suffering from anxiety and low retention is equal to 48 plus 21 plus 3. 48 comes from group A, 21 comes from group B, 3 comes from group C, which is equal to 72. The question is asking for percentage. So percentage of students will be equal to 72 upon 100 into 100, which is 72%. A student is selected at random. He is found to suffer from anxiety and low retention issues. What is the probability that he or she spends screen time more than 4 hours per day? That is, given that a student has anxiety and low retention, we have to figure out the probability that they are from group A. P of group A, that is a student from group A, provided or given that the child is having anxiety, is equal to P of the child is in group A and also suffers from anxiety by total number of children who are suffering from anxiety and low retention, which is equal to 48 upon 72, which is 2 by 3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.